Question number 1.
Choose the correct sentence. A. She don't know English. B. She doesn't know English. C. She doesn't knows English.
Question number 2.
Synonym of bright is A. Dark. B. Dull. C. Shiny.
Question number 3.
I've lived here 2018. A. For B. Since C. From.
Question number 4.
Antonym of brave is A. Cowardly. B. Bold. C. Strong.
Question number 5.
Face the music means A. Sing a song. B. Avoid a problem. C. Accept consequences.
Question number 6.
They dash a new house last year. A. Buy. B. Bought. C. Buying.
Question number 7.
Choose the correct article. He is dash university student. A. A. B. And C. The.
Question number 8.
Synonym of laugh is A. Cry. B. Giggle. C. Scream.
Question number 9.
The keys are dash my pocket. A. In. B. On. C. At.
Question number 10.
Antonym of empty is A. Full. B. Hollow. C. Light.
Question number 11.
Jump the gun means A. Act too soon. B. Fire a weapon. C. Skip an event.
Question number 12.
We dash studying all night. A. Was. B. Were. C. Are.
Question number 13.
Synonym of old, A. New. B. Ancient. C. Recent.
Question number 14.
Antonym of love, A. Hate. B. Care. C. Like.
Question number 15.
She was born dash August. A. On. B. At. C. In.
Question number 16.
I dash never been to Canada. A. Have. B. Has. C. Had.
Question number 17.
Spill the beans means A. Waste food. B. Reveal a secret. C. Clean the kitchen.
Question number 18.
We arrived dash time. A, in B, on C, at.
Question number 19.
Antonym of heavy. A, light. B, huge. C, full.
Question number 20.
Synonym of clean. A, dirty. B, neat. C, messy.
Question number 21.
She has worked here dash 5 years. A, since. B, from. C, for.
Question number 22.
On the fence means, A, sitting. B, undecided. C, decided.
Question number 23.
Choose the correct sentence. A, he can sings well. B, he can sing well. C, he can to sing.
Question number 24.
They met dash a party. A, at. B, on. C, ing.
Question number 25.
Antonym of day. A, night. B, morning. C, dusk.
Question number 26.
Synonym of happy. A, sad. B, joyful. C, angry.
Question number 27.
She is interested dash music. A, to. B, in. C, at.
Question number 28.
Under the weather means, A, feeling sick. B, feeling hot. C, feeling happy.
Question number 29.
He dashed TV every evening. A, watch. B, watched. C, watches.
Question number 30.
Choose the correct article. I saw dash eagle flying. A, B, the C, an.
Question number 31.
Antonym of win. A, lose. B, race. C, success.
Question number 32.
Synonym of speak. A, listen. B, talk. C, hear.
Question number 33.
I'm tired dash working all day. A, from. B, of. C, with.
Question number 34.
Break the ice means, A, start conversation. B, cause conflict. C, break something.
Question number 35.
She dashed a doctor. A and B is C, R.
Question number 36.
The boy sat dash his friend. A, beside B, over C, behind.
Question number 37.
Synonym of friend, A, pal, B, enemy, C, stranger.
Question number 38.
Antonym of soft, A, gentle, B, hard, C, smooth.
Question number 39.
He succeeded dash passing the test. A, at B, on C, ing.
Question number 40.
A blessing in disguise means, A, a good thing hidden in a bad situation, B, a visible reward, C, a lucky costume.
Question number 41.
Choose the correct sentence. A, they has gone. B, they have gone. C, they gone.
Question number 42.
Synonym of big, A, huge, B, tiny, C, small.
Question number 43.
Antonym of truth, A, lie, B, reality, C, honest.
Question number 44.
We waited dash the train. A, for B, to C, at.
Question number 45.
Kick the bucket means, A, die, B, fight, C, kick something.
Question number 46.
She dash tired yesterday. A, feel, B, felt, C, feels.
Question number 47.
The sun sets dash the west. A, in B, on C, at.
Question number 48.
Synonym of job, A, rest, B, work, C, hobby.
Question number 49.
Antonym of clean, A, dirty, B, neat, C, nice.
Question number 50.
I look forward to dash you. A, meet, B, meeting, C, met.
How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Share this quiz with your friends' family. Let them test their English skills too. Like, share, subscribe for more quiz.